Welcome to another beautiful day out here in the Northwest. And but what I mean by beautiful is I mean absolutely horrendous. I mean it is just pouring rain down out here in April. Gotta be on my handguard right here. Anyways, today we're talking about the cheapest M4. Well, let's not say cheap. The most inexpensive M4 I could find in 2022. This is a what is this? A KE Arms lower, all polymer lower with a Palmetto State upper. The upper was around $290. Got it on sale. The blend, all black, 16 carbon length, 1/8 barrel twist. All together, this cost around $390. Obviously, the rear sight didn't come with it, but you know, I've never seen a polymer lower before. I've never seen an all polymer lower. This is completely all lower, all polymer. The polymer costs around $115, I think. Just a really inexpensive rifle, and I mean, the reason I'm showing it is because, you know, so far I'm really happy with the rifle. So far I'm very satisfied with it. This is my first AR-15 platform rifle I've ever had, and I honestly didn't think I would like them, but you know, I gave it a shot and I liked it. I've owned AKs. I've never owned an AR-15 before, so we'll see how it runs in the rain. I've already put 200 rounds in this rifle so far, but we'll put another 100 in it in the rain and see how it runs. There should be no problem with absolutely at all with this rifle. I mean, it's got really tight tolerances. It should perform well in the rain. Now that this isn't an accuracy test, this is just whatever. I'm going to put at least 500 rounds to this rifle and see how it holds up. Take the bolt carry out, take the charging handle out, see if anything needs replaced, but we'll see. So yeah, let's go down to the range. I'm shooting at a steel plate around 150, 200 yards, and then we also have a wooden, just a normal sight guard, as you can say. You shoot at that and see how it does. Now this, like I said, this isn't an accuracy test, and the reason why it isn't an accuracy test is because my rear sight is broken. I ordered one off eBay for $12 and it's completely busted, so we'll see how it goes. Anyways, let's get down the range, have some fun, see how she shoots, and let's just have some fun with it for your entertainment. So let's get to it. Alright guys, I swapped out the rear sight. I just got one in the mail, so I just ran to the post office in the perfect time. It just stopped raining. Just your standard eBay rear sight. Pretty sure this is from China. The rifle is not zeroed. That's alright. Still gonna be shooting. I got 3 mags, not loaded up completely. They're like 7 rounds in each of them. We're just gonna see how it runs. Well, I already know it's gonna run great, but we're just gonna shoot it, you know, have some fun with it. So let's get it, you know. All right, loaded. It's on. It's hot, ready to fire. And let's see. There we go. Now I can see it better. Forgot to show you, but I got 300 rounds in there. So let's shoot her up. let's turn on my trigger finger and let's see how fast we can shoot this thing. I got a full 30 round magazine, and it's got a 4.5 pound trigger on this KE arms lower. We'll just see how fast we can shoot. I'm just gonna hit fire, so let's try to see how fast we do. All right. Gassy. Okay, I haven't done that in a while, and that was an epic fail. I haven't rapid fired anything from the hip from a while, so let's try that one more time. I'm gonna put in 20 rounds this time. Save the ammo. Shoot it. All right, here we go. I don't know if you see that, folks, but when I press it on the neighbors the neighbors are imitating my rapid fire. I don't know if you can hear that sizzle when I take the barrel and put it in the wet grat. It's cooking it. Yeah, folks. With my Visca, I had a 3.5 pound trigger on my AK on my Visca, and it let you rapid fire all day. With this, no, it has a weird reset. That's all right. All right, here we go.